What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Gala, another update. However, today is a red day for Gala. As you guys can see, it is down just about 6%, currently valuing at 0.05561, meaning just around the 5 cents target. So where is it heading to next, guys? Is it going to pump back up in value? Is it going to drop back down in value? So is it time to buy, sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its next prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Is it worth investing into Gala? And also guys, there's been a lot of rumors saying Gala is going to crash soon, it's going to take a huge drop as well. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video as well. Or is it going to go past the 6 cents target like it did earlier on last week? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and the market is up just about 0.2% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And also on this website here, we can see most cryptos are down, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, so on and so on. Everything is red. So yeah, the market has taken a little bit of a dip today, including Gala as well. So Gala in the last hour has gone up just about a percentage. Over the last day, 6% down. Most of the drop did take place earlier this morning, as you guys can see here, and ever since then it's been fluctuating at its current price range. Over the week, 6% up. Over the month, 246% up, guys. So we're all complaining whenever it takes a dip. You know, it's gone down 6%, it's gone down 7%, but when you look at it overall for the whole month, it's been performing quite well. Forget last year. Obviously we are going to see major drops last year. Again, cryptocurrency, it wasn't a good year for crypto last year, but focusing in 2023 so far, for the last 30 days, it has been performing very well, and most cryptos are on the green side. And as you guys can clearly see, Gala is very, very positive, but can it maintain that for the rest of the year? That's the main question. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped again by 28% in the last 24 hours, making it $342 million in trading, which is still a huge amount. However, the trading volume about 2 weeks ago was over $1 billion, but ever since then it has dropped quite a bit. Only reason for that is there hasn't been much movements from Gala. As you can see, even if I go to the weekly chart, it's been more or less trading at its current price range. With, yes, it has peaked up in value to 6 cents, but again it's dropped back down. So essentially it's been maintaining its value, but that is why the trading volume has gone down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the moment, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala, which is at 0.05008. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.05556, meaning it's performing quite well and slightly better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But as usual, guys, before I get into all of that stuff, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Gala to go for a minimal increase in value. Again, yes, I know it has taken a slight dip in value, but it's very likely it's going to recover from that over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Don't get me wrong, yes, we may see a dip a little bit more in value over the coming 2-3 hours, down to about 0.053 to 0.054, but after that we should see it slowly and steadily gaining value, going to around the 6 cents target towards the very end of the day today or early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect from Gala? So zooming into the hourly chart here, guys, we can see that the blue and the orange line are both heading towards the bearish direction, looking quite negative. According to the graph, yes, an overall drop in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. However, according to myself and the technical analysis that I have done, no guys, I'm expecting it to increase in value. And the crash that everyone's talking about, or I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but the rumors that are going around with Gala crashing, again, I do not believe it. It's just rumors at the end of the day. It's what people are predicting. I'm predicting that Gala is likely to pump up in value over the coming days. So potentially by the end of the week, we should be seeing Gala heading towards the 7 cents target is what my expectations are. So we should be hitting 7 cents or just above 7 cents towards the end of the week. But again, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's going to drop, green days where it's going to pump, but the overall outcome seems to be positive, which is all that matters. So at the moment is looking quite good for the rest of this week. Moving on to the daily chart, we got the blue and the orange line flat out going in a straight line, not looking bullish or bearish, guys. So essentially, according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is meant to take place from Gala over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid-March to late March. However, I'm expecting some big moves from Gala over the next 6 to 8 weeks, and I am expecting it to head up to about the 15 to 17 cents target by the end of March 2023 at a slow and steady increase in value. Again, that doesn't mean that we're not going to have any red weeks or red days over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Of course we will. But as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters, and that's why it's likely to take place at the moment. If Gala manages to carry on like it has been for the last 4 weeks, we should see some big positive moves from Gala, unless the market goes for a crash or there's any news that can affect Gala in a negative direction. Then of course we are going to see a crash. But again, if there are any news updates like that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it's looking quite good for Gala. We should be hitting about 15 cents by late March, and hopefully in April heading towards the 20 cents target by very late April. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone. There's no much movements. However, resistance target here is hitting 20 cents, which I did mention earlier on in the video, that we should be hitting that in April, and potentially by mid-year we should be trading in the green zone and heading upwards from there. But again, it depends on how the crypto market performs and how Gala performs in itself as well, such as partnerships, collaborations, and so on. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. Comment down below, have you guys heard of the rumor? Is it just me, or have you guys heard of the rumor that it's going to crash? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know your predictions for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not hit that subscribe button? And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.